everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. It's me, Namy the Scorpio. So a few days ago I decided to paint my denim jacket, and I was just feeling very creative that day, and I just wanted to do something like with my hands. So I decided to paint my jacket, just do a little DIY. Yeah, so this jacket I'm talking about, this denim jacket, is like about 3 to 4 years old. Yeah, and I was just getting very bored with my jacket, and in general, like, I didn't really like wear it out very often like in the recent months. So instead of throwing it away, I just decided to redesign it. So yeah, so I got creative. So this is a doodle that I did on my journal, and I don't know, I just felt like this was something that really inspired me. And I mean, it is a current issue, like the climate changing is a current issue, and I think everyone's aware of it, but like no one's really doing anything about it. Not no one, but like a majority of the people don't really do anything about it. So I just felt like making a statement with my jacket, with the clothes I wear. And yeah, so that's why I decided to paint this on my jacket.
So mama tells me that I shouldn't bother, but I should just stick to another girl, a girl that surely deserves me, but I think you do. So baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't go. Freak, you're a goon. My mama told me not to hang out with girls like you. You're bad news, baby. You got holes in your jeans and rips in your skirts, and you walk around like you ought to be on the cover of the magazines. So baby, don't go. Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't go. Baby, please don't go.
So this is the final outcome of the jacket, and I think it looks pretty good. So this is how it looks like after I painted it and dried it already. So it says the climate is changing, why aren't we? Yeah, cute. Yeah, so that's basically how my jacket looks like when I wear it, and this is how it looks like. Not to toot my own horn or anything, but I'm so proud of myself for doing this. And you know, redesigning my clothes always excite me, because not only am I prolonging the life cycle of my clothes, but I'm giving it a new style, giving it a new, you know, new look in general. And I don't know, I had so much fun doing this. I had so much fun painting, and just, I don't know, I just get so excited. Yeah, I strongly encourage you to look at your wardrobe and see what you can create with the things you already own. Is something, you know, is something boring you? Is something uninspiring you in your wardrobe? And like you have this tendency or this like feel to want to throw it away? Try not to. Not even try. Do not do it. Avoid throwing your clothes into the bin. Did you know that 4 in 10... Okay, facts. 4 in 10 millennials in Singapore actually throw their unwanted clothes away into their bin. And don't be one of those 4. That's so sad. If you're one of those person who have this like 1 in 1 out mentality with your wardrobe, and if you buy something new, you're like, oh, I'm bored of this, I'm gonna throw it away. Don't throw it away. You can do so many things with it. You can donate it, you can recycle it. Like, you know those blue bins, they actually do accept textile, I mean clothes. What else? You can redesign it like I did. Or you can upcycle it to make it something different. Like if it's an old t-shirt, maybe you can even do a simple thing like cutting it up and like just using it as a rug instead. Not rug, a cloth, like a tablecloth, you know, just to wipe things. There's so many things on Pinterest or online in general that you can do and DIY with like your old unwanted clothes. But please do not throw it away. Anyways, I strongly encourage you guys to DIY your clothes, give it a new life, or just donate it to someone. Because this was really fun to do, and I'm sure you'd have fun doing it. And you don't have to do the exact same design. I mean, like, and everyone can do this. Anyone and everyone can do this. I'm no artist, and I mean, by the looks of it, it's, you know, it's not very like beautiful, but damn, I'm proud of myself for doing this, and I love it. Okay, I love the statement that I'm going to make with this jacket, and it's just so cute. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I mean, comment down below if you think my jacket it was a success, or if you think it's cute. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more of me, more like I post random stuff. So yeah, just subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had a nice day, a nice night, or whatever time you're watching this, and live life to the fullest, guys. Don't waste your time. Me being bored at home, I did this, you know. If you're bored at home, you can do something else. Just spend your time wisely. Don't waste your life. Okay, bye.